Okay, here's a question I have for every one of you who has ever stepped into a gym or went running or practiced any kind of sport or just simply did yoga or Pilates at home, Zumba workouts. My question is, why do you do it? Everybody who is running after a six-pack ab and a muscle, why do you do it? The women might say to lose weight, the men might say to gain muscle, everybody might say to look better. But what does that do? I mean, aside from getting you a good partner, some praises from the people around you, they don't even know why they are praising you, but they are, because society had set this standard a few decades ago that being fit means being slim, supermodelish, muscular. That's why you're doing it, isn't it? You're doing it so that you can tell 10 other people or millions of other people, in case you're a creator or an influencer, that you are fit, that you have that aesthetic body, those six-pack abs, those muscles, you have your weight in check, BMI and all, fine. So that is your answer. Now tell me, what happens when a person who is muscular, has six-pack abs, looks very fit, but still collapses due to a heart disease, a cardiac arrest, or just faints? Or somebody like a supermodel who just simply dies for no reason. Celebrity, very beautiful, very attractive, everything perfect, looking young, being fit, within BMI, but just drops dead. What happens is the outside looks or the aesthetic body or being perfect on the outside doesn't guarantee that you are perfect on the inside. And inside you can't see and nobody can see, right? So even if somebody who is not fit according to the societal standards, a little bit overweight here and there or underweight, not within the prescribed BMI range, no muscles, no visible six-pack, a little more fat, a little less fat, not the perfectly shaped body, but they might have perfect insides, right? Liver functioning perfectly, kidney perfect, digestion perfect, nothing is out of the way. So what happens is their insides are perfect. Their heart is functioning perfectly, lungs perfect, kidneys, liver, digestion, blood flow, everything is in perfect functioning state. Since on the outside they are not aligned to your perfectly perfect standards of being good looking or having a perfect body, and you can't see their insides, so you would feel that they are not fit. And so everybody who can't see their insides, which is running, functioning perfectly, would feel that this is not someone to be idolized, this is not someone to be praised, and they will not praise them. Because what we have been taught to believe, and it has become ingrained with the culture, with the marketing, with the advertisements that we've seen since the beginning of our time, all of it is telling us that if you're fit outside, you are fit inside. And it has taken me also so long, decades, to be honest, 4 decades, to understand that being fit or fit looking on the outside does not guarantee that I am fit inside, and vice versa. So if I am fit inside, I might not still look so fit on the outside, and that's okay. Somebody who is fit on the inside, doesn't matter whether they look fit or not, because they are fit and they will live long and they will have a healthy life. Again, as I always say, you have 1,000 problems until you have a health problem, and then you have only one. So all of you who have been running after aesthetic body goals and starving yourself, or running for hours on treadmills, or picking up heavy weights, getting headaches because of not eating, getting hair fall, anemia, all sorts of things just to get that aesthetic body, trust me, on your inside things will not be so good. And if on the inside the things are not so good, you will have health problems. And once you have one health problem, even one, your entire life is gone for a toss. So please focus on inner health, be fit inside out, and if you're fit on the inside, the outside fitness automatically comes, whether there are people to certify you of fitness or not. Forget about what people think, what society thinks, what societal standards are of fitness. You do not have to chase them. All you have to do is make yourself fit inside, and trust me, you will never have a problem.